Hi, this is Dr. Marta Katalenas. We are here with another recipe for you. I'm with my friend, Fer
Hi,
Candil.
Marta. I am Fer. I'm the chef at Paellas Tapas Amor, a catering business here in Round Rock, Texas. Thank you so much for watching us another week. We are very excited. It's been a few weeks now, like we are published every week a recipe new for you, and also a podcast with my dear friend and Dr. Marta Katalenas, a pediatrician.
Yes, and we are trying to teach you how to cook for the entire family, starting with your babies. You can prepare these recipes for the baby and then modify and offer it as a meal for toddlers and for adults also.
Exactly.
So today you're gonna do, what are you gonna do? What are the ingredients?
We are gonna do something very simple. I think we talked before in one podcast and one YouTube channel about snacking or eating. So it's something we have to remember very frequently because we are very worried to see many babies like snacking all the time. So probably when it's time for eat the food, they don't really feel hungry. And I can understand.
That's right. That will happen to us if we are eating in between meals. I always remind my patients to pay attention to the timing of the meals and space them and allow the body to digest the food and to the brain to rest also from thinking that every single sensation that we have, or every single feeling that we have to be met with food going in the mouth. And that's what we do when we offer kids or even babies snacks constantly. We offer it not for nutrition purposes. We offer it because they are fussy in the car, or we are at the store, and at the office they do it all the time.
Exactly.
So I don't like the word snack. I told you that before.
Yeah, I know. It's very risky to use that word with Dr. Katalenas. All the time I say, "Oh, this is a snack."
Kind of snack.
But the truth is, we are going to prepare an like an applesauce. I think everyone is familiar with an applesauce. The good thing, this one is cooking by you, and is with controlling the ingredients you are using to prepare your applesauce. So you are be sure what your baby or your toddler are eating. So it's as simple as we have some apples.
Okay.
So we're gonna boil in a little with water. So I have the water here.
And I'll make sure that they get to boil while you prepare the rest of the
Yes, exactly.
Right?
Just ready to add the apples. So it's just a little water and just boiling until the apple is soft and tender. And meanwhile, we can prepare the orange juice. Can you help me, Marta?
Yes. So it's the juice of half or one orange, depending on the size, right?
Depends. You know, it's unpredictable. Some oranges has a lot of juices, and depends of the season of the year. Some oranges are very sweet and very juicy, and others are more dry. So you really need sometimes use the whole orange and taste it if it's a lot of acidity or more sweet. So we're gonna put here. We have this jar. Yeah, I think we're gonna need the other half. Yeah.
It's a little difficult with this small device to get the
whole because these oranges are like a Texas size.
Yes, they are.
In Texas, everything is big. And I'm gonna add some cookies. You know, I like to use Maria cookies because they are a cookie who don't have a lot of sweet on it, but it's a cookie. Or you can use also Graham crackers if you have at home, and it's perfect too. It's just some cookie, like it's not chocolate chip cookie, so you don't need to add more sugar. We have enough sugar with the apple, the orange, and the cookie. And we are going to prepare like a puree, like a sauce, an apple sauce. And it's gonna be a snack or in between lunch and dinner.
Yes. So like after school?
After school in Spain. And we both grew up eating a snack after school when we arrived home. And I remember my kids came from the school to make a break before start doing the homework or playing or whatever. So, and these are for babies, but between lunch and dinner, who are the main meals during the day, the whole meals, it's good to give them something to eat. Like it's not a whole meal, a full meal, but
it's
it's
not
okay.
too heavy, but
and it has to be healthy.
It is healthy, and it can be mixed with yogurt. We talked about
Oh yeah,
yogurt in another podcast where we mix fruit that we prepare at home, fruit puree with yogurt, with plain yogurt, and we need to get kids used to the flavor of yogurt, the plain one. And so the only reason you are cooking this is because you want to make it soft, right?
Exactly. It just makes soft. The good thing is when you cook the apple with water for 10 minutes, 12 minutes, the apple came like caramelized because the apple has a lot of sugar and it's making a little this texture. So it's just add to the mix with the orange and the cookies. The good thing, you don't add any artificial sugar, any artificial product.
And then you blend it.
Yes, just blend it.
Well, I hope it doesn't start splashing all over.
No, I don't think, because we can start slowly. So it's the first time you're preparing this for your baby. Just use the little containers. You can keep on your refrigerator for 2-3 days and try a couple of spoons one day. Let's see the faces. The baby is gonna tell you if they like it or not. Yeah, the faces are perfect for pictures. And try again the next day, the other day. Is the way you can really educate your baby. Yeah.
Yummy.
If it is too acidity because the orange is not very sweet, the other tip is add half banana, ripe banana.
Yes.
And it's really sweet and it's really good. And the babies, I don't know why, every baby loves banana. I like this combination, Marta. It's really, really good. Okay.
All right.
So it's ready.
So 6 months and above, if it's
that's
this soft, the consistency you made is perfect.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it here because I want to try it.
I know. Yeah,
I want to see the consistency.
My kids still love it. I remember my youngest one hate fruit, don't really like it, and all the time I prepare any snack or any fruit puree. They say, "Oh, mom, don't worry, you can do it because we can eat it," and they're still eating. So let's see.
It is perfect. It's not too acidic. It's perfect.
I think it's a really good taste, and it's your own applesauce, your snack, healthy for your baby. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. This is so simple to make it, and you don't need really a lot of time. You can cook on the weekend and prepare for the rest of the week, and subscribe to our channel, and you will see all our recipes every weekend, remember, and our podcast also with all the tips.
Yes. And give us your feedback, give us your comments, your opinions, your questions. We'll try to incorporate them into the next videos. Thank you for listening.
Thank you. Bye-bye.